इंतजामिया अगर मुलाकात की इजाज़त दे देती है फैमिली को, तो क्या कासिम तेरियान और सुलेमान अपने पापा से मिलने के लिए आएंगे जेल में?
ऑब्वियसली उनकी ख्वाहिश किस बेटे की नहीं होती बाप को मिलने की। आप उनकी कैफियत का अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं। यकीनन आप के बच्चे होंगे कि जब बाप या घर का बड़ा जेल में हो तो सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासर कौन होता है? फैमिली होती है ना, बीवी होती है, बच्चे होते हैं, बहनें होती हैं। सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासर तो वो लोग होती है, इमीडिएट फैमिली होती है। हम सब उस पे से गुजरे हैं, उस कैफियत में से गुजरे हैं। मैं खुद हालिया उस कैफियत पे से गुजरा हूँ। वाई नॉट? यस मैम।
Mr. Qureshi, Simon Wilson from Sky News. Can you give us a few words in English about the conditions Imran Khan is being kept in and what the plan is now for the appeal against his conviction in the next few days?
What I hear from Mr. Naeem Panjota, who's just met him in Attak, the conditions are deplorable. He is being kept in a cell which is 9 by 11. The hygienic conditions are terrible. There are no separate toilet facilities. The room is dark and dingy, and the basic rights that even a ordinary prisoner under the prison rules can sort of access, he's been deprived of. I'm sure he's not been given newspapers, whereas if he was in B class, he was entitled to that. When I was in Adiala jail, I learned that ordinary prisoners who were in barracks, they had television facilities. I am sure he has no such facility. I'm not even sure if he has reading material. I do believe that he has, he has the Holy Quran and he's, reading that and he prays. Nafafil bhi padhte hain. But the conditions are not good at all. On the issue of the legal process, we've got the power of attorney signed. The petition will be filed tomorrow, and hopefully we feel that there are such lacunas and loopholes that he should get relief. That's what the legal experts feel.
What's the grounds of your appeal and how is his spirits?
It's a very defective order. It's a very defective order, full of contradictions.